Greetings from San Diego, California. This interactive multinational video conference is reaching you live in English, Spanish, and Portuguese through a unique and complex international telecommunications network via satellite, microwave, cable, and the internet. This program brings together distinguished organizations representing education, business, government, and civil society in the Americas, China, India, and Europe. We appreciate your participation. This is the first International Training Center video conference of the year 2010 series entitled Principles for Competitiveness in the New Global Reality. We invite our viewing audience and affiliates that may not have the support materials or the participants manual for this program to contact us directly at info@itcsandiego.com to assist you with a copy. Thank you for being part of our international network. I'm Dr. Farhad Saba, Professor Emeritus of Educational Technology at San Diego State University and the moderator of today's program, which presents the important topic, Leadership with Chaos, Adapting and Performing Consistently. The new global realities have redefined the way leaders must now act and perform in education, business, government, and civil society. The traditional charisma and motivational strategies of successful leaders in the past are now being replaced with results-oriented performance and globally responsible attitudes and solidarity. The recent chaos and change of so-called new economy in its financial markets, public health systems, international relations, security, environmental sustainability, and other key dynamics mandate that new generation leaders acquire global knowledge and develop insights that anticipate rather than react to these interdependent phenomena. This motivating video conference will present an overview of the concept of leadership with chaos and change and the strategies, tactics, and skills that must be mastered to be able to succeed in this challenging environment.